Hello friends, welcome to House of Tech English. If you are using a Mac device and if you want to know how to empty bin or trash in your Mac, then this is the video for you. I'm going to guide you through each and every step. But before that, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. Now see, there are multiple ways by which you can empty bin or trash in your Mac. First, let me tell you what are the basic things we do to delete any particular file. We select the file, we right click over there and then we select move to bin option. Now what it does is, it deletes the file from your Mac device, but the file is still present in bin, right? Another way is, either you can select the file and you can press command plus delete, the keyboard shortcut to delete anything in your Mac. Again, the file is deleted from your Mac, but it is still present in bin. Now, in this situation, how to empty bin? So there are two ways. First is, you can just simply point the arrow on bin over here on the dock, and you can right click over there and then select empty bin option. Now what it does is, if you select empty bin, it will give you a pop-up screen saying that are you sure you want to permanently erase the items in the bin. If you select cancel, it will cancel out the process, but if you select empty bin, what it will do is it will completely empty the bin. So I have selected that, and now you can see if I go to trash or bin, it is completely empty. Another way is, let me create new folder over here. So I have two folders, right? If I want to delete it, we are going to follow the same process. Select the file and then select move to bin option, or you can simply select the keyboard shortcut, which is command plus delete. Now the file or folder is deleted from my Mac and it is present in bin. So next method is, just simply go to bin, and once you see the file over there, you can directly select this empty option. Again, you will be seeing that same pop-up notification, select empty bin, and now you can see the bin is empty. Now let me tell you one more thing, that is, you can delete any particular file directly without sending it to bin, and you have to just use the keyboard shortcut, and that is option command and delete. So let me create a new folder over here. So if I press option command and delete, it will give me a pop-up screen like this saying that are you sure you want to delete so and so folder or file. This item will be deleted immediately, you can't undo this action. So if I select delete over here, you can see the folder is deleted from my Mac, but you won't find that in bin. So this is one more thing you can do. You can delete anything in your Mac using option command and delete option, but it won't send that file to bin. It will directly or it will permanently delete the file from your Mac. So yeah, this is how simple it is to empty trash or bin in your Mac. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.